Hey guys, we're Bicko Five. I'm Adam.
I'm Fernando.
I'm Red.
I'm Irvin.
And that's Anthony. And today we are going to do the
Blind taste test
competition.
challenge.
And how this works is that there will be two teams, Irvin and I versus
Adam and I.
And each member of the group is going to be blindfolded and try to guess the food before the other team.
The team that gets the most points wins, and the losing team has to. The losing team has to blend all the items and drink it. Yep. Or eat it.
Or yeah. Let's get started.
Alright, first item.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, eat.
Grapes.
Cherry.
Yeah, Adam got it.
Oh my god.
Yes, Adam!
Item number 2.
Dude, I think it was cherries in the can.
It's on the fork. In 3, 2, no cheating, Red.
Fine.
3,
Wait, what does he do?
1, eat.
Onions.
Yes!
Adam!
I was chewing it, I'm sorry.
Dude, you don't know it's gross.
Dude, it ruined our palates. Now we can't taste anything.
I was gonna say pepper.
Pepper.
Yeah, I thought it was like a green pepper.
Dude,
I was like,
I like garlic bread. Yes, this must be onion.
No. Item
Yeah.
number 3.
Oh.
Item 3, 2, 1, eat.
what is it?
Avocados.
Yes! Oh,
You can't taste avocado.
Yes, you can!
Barely.
Yes, Red!
I told you. Okay, now our palates are like blocked. I don't even know what I'm saying.
I thought it was gonna be like potato.
Dude, I think lard is like they sell. You know how it's like, I can't believe it's not butter?
Alright.
Yeah.
Item number 4.
I'm not getting the guess.
That's
I'm just
number
gonna
4.
enjoy my food.
Coming from
3,
the side.
2, 1.
Pepper.
Celery. Green pepper.
Red, you got it first.
Yeah,
red
one.
wine.
You should come in from the side because you're like blocking the.
Dude, I'm telling you, man. That's not my family.
Dude, I can't do this.
My great uncle.
I would puke.
Had great palates.
Dude, did you hear that? What Urban said? Dude.
Why are you giving them a live cricket, Anthony?
Oh, I'm okay with that.
Alright.
What?
Well,
Dude,
no, wait. If it's
wow.
live, then if it's
Item number 5.
My great uncle has.
stick
3, 2,
Dude, I don't
1. Eat it.
Eat.
ketchup.
Adam!
Ew!
Oh. It's a small lead. Don't worry. Ketchup. No, we
Did
have
you
three.
use a?
Wait,
did
we
you
have
put
three,
the
right?
whole spoon in
Like
your
me,
mouth?
right?
No.
I put like a little like.
Okay,
You know?
Okay,
Okay,
sixth item.
Sixth item.
Right, in 3, 2, 1.
Apple, pear. Oh, gross.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
You got it. You got it.
Oh.
What
That's like an apple or a pear. Why, Anthony? Why?
This is the seventh item.
Item number 7. In
Okay.
3, 2,
2, 1,
1,
go.
go.
How can it? No, pickle.
Yeah.
Pickle. Oh, it's pretty good. Yeah, I like it.
Eighth item.
Item number 8. 3, 2, 1,
Go.
eat.
Oh. Is that sweet potato?
Is it horseradish? No.
Oh. Horseradish?
No, it's not horseradish.
Pepper?
Who said horseradish twice? Is it?
Oh, that's so bad.
Is mayonnaise a horseradish?
Is it ginger?
Yeah, you got
Yeah.
it.
Oh, man.
Oh, that's disgusting.
It's like a spiciness to
You
it,
kept
but-
chewing.
That is so bad. I know.
Okay, what is it?
Holy shit. It's so
It's
bad.
still in my tongue.
Oh, gonna get you, Anthony.
It is the ninth item. 3, 2, 1,
one.
go.
Blueberries.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Urban.
I don't eat blueberries, ginger, and garlic every day. Oh my god.
I was actually really close.
Let me win. Oh
You
my
know, if
gosh.
we time, we both have to do it.
Dude, that ginger man. It's not in my mouth.
10th item. 3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
Made it.
Nope.
Oh my
Mustard.
gosh.
Yeah!
You got it. You got it.
Can I pick it up now?
Yeah, you got it.
How much did you give us?
Just a little bit.
No, that's a spoonful.
No, I give you a little. Smaller than that. I watched it though.
Oh,
Red pepper. Off. This is
What
for
else?
the losing team.
Blueberries.
This garlic and avocados and
Yep,
blueberries.
garlic, avocados.
Oops.
Don't try this at home.
Do not try it at home. Because oh, why? Okay, dude, it's alive, man. It's gonna crawl back up my throat. Cheers. It's not that bad, I guess.
Stop. Keep going.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, you put some.
Ew. You have to drink. You have to drink all of it.
No,
Finish it,
no,
finish
no,
it.
no.
You have to.
This is unhealthy, man.
It's very healthy, actually.
Oh, shit. Oh.
What is that? Something.
Red, don't.
Come on, one more sip. It's just
I already took a sip. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Are you okay?
It literally tastes like puke.
Can I try this a little bit? Just a little bit.
That ends the challenge competition.
Blind taste
And
test challenge competition.
next time we'll win.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.